Who's ready to do some math? Math is some of your favorite subjects, and I'm so glad. When I was in first grade, I was not very good at math. I had to really work hard in math to understand what to do because I did not have all the different ways and fun manipulatives that you have to learn math. I wish I had, because I think I would be really good at math if I had. So let's take advantage of those this week. This week you're going to be reviewing two-digit addition without regrouping, okay? I found some really cool pages for you to do. They all pretty much look the same, okay? They're gonna all have a front and a back. And I know that there are a lot of problems on these pages, so here's what I want you to do. I didn't give you a homework page this week because what I want you to do is I want you to do half for class work or during your class time and half for homework. All right, so do it 1/2 and 1/2 in two different sittings in one day. Can you do that for me? You've got 5 days worth in here, so you can start working on it whenever you wanted to. Please remember, we talked about this last week, that when you are adding two-digit numbers, you're always going to start on the one side, and that is listed here on the paper for you, and then there's an arrow to help you remember where that is. Okay? You're always going to start adding on the one side or the side that is farthest away from the addition mark. Okay? All of these problems this week you should be able to add with some type of counters if you wanted to. You could use pennies, you could use beans, you could use, when I say beans, I mean like dried beans, macaroni, anything that you have. You could even use the crayons in your crayon box that I gave you if you want to help count. You can always use your fingers. God gave them to you to help you be smart. Okay, so you can always use those things. But all of these this week are looking just like this page that I'm showing you are going to look like this. Just make sure that you review each day starting on that one side, adding down, and then going to the 10 side and add down. Okay? I know you're going to do great on this. Next week, we're going to move on to double-digit subtraction. So this is the last week to kind of practice this. This is one of the harder skills that we do. So I wanted to make sure that you had plenty of practice and understood what to do. If you're struggling with this, if your child is struggling with this, if you will let me know, I will reach out to you and get you a little more help, okay? Have a great week doing math. Start on the one side. Use your fingers, use counters, use whatever you need to help you. And don't get any wrong.